When you start a business, your two most important advisors are your attorney and your CPA. Some people think they can save money by not doing that. They can incorporate themselves and they think they don't need an accountant right away. I've seen that clients come to me, done that, and it ended up costing them thousands and thousands of dollars to fix it. Because remember, unless you're a CPA, you don't know what you don't know when it comes to the tax law. And there are so many small things that you can do wrong that can have a tax impact on you that will cost you a lot more money to fix later on than if you did it from the get-go. It's important to have that advice from a CPA, and it's important to have advice from an attorney. Legally, you want to protect yourself, and from a tax and accounting point of view, you want to protect yourself, and you want to do the right thing from the beginning. So it's worth spending a little more money, but you know you can go to sleep at night, and you know you've gotten the advice you need to really get you set off on the right track.